Come on, Bruce. We'll be late for the movie.
Are you sure we can make it in time, Alfred?
Don't worry, sir. God, blimey. Where's he off?
Bruce, we're going to miss the movie.
I need my outfit. Look, Grey Ghost. I have to watch it in my Grey Ghost outfit.
Okay. What are we looking for?
I need my cape, my goggles, and my hat. I think I left them in the garden somewhere.
Allow me, sirs.
Thanks, Alfred. It's gotta be around here. Hey, I think I see my costume. Yes, the cape. Capes are so cool. Alfred, do you know where my hat is?
I last saw it around here, Master Bruce. Now, where on earth could it be?
And I saw you with your goggles on earlier. Right here, in the summer house. Somewhere.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Where could they be?
I found the goggles. Now I just need to find the hat.
No need to worry. I'm rather good at finding things. Usually.
Dad, look! I found the hat! Out of the darkness comes the Grey Ghost! My hat! I gotta have my hat!
It's okay, Bruce. We've got time. But we need to be quick. Hey, you know there was a Grey Ghost movie back when I was a kid, right?
Yeah, I know. But it looks so old and fake now.
It's a classic. Maybe you'll appreciate it when you're a little older. Be careful, Bruce. This part of the garden isn't exactly child-friendly.
I'm not scared. You're with me. Come back, Hat. I almost got you.
Okay, Bruce, grab it and let's get going. The movie starts soon.
Yes. There you are.
Bruce!
Bruce! Are you okay?
Are you all right, Master Bruce?
Bruce, we're here. We'll be okay.
Read all about it! Falcone Gang crime spree in Gotham!
Let's avoid these crowds and cut down Crime Alley.
Is that a good idea, Thomas? I think it's called Crime Alley for a reason.
Okay, lady, hand over the purse and the pearls.
Dad, he's got a...
Do you ever dance with the devil in the pale moonlight? Come on,
on, Jack. Let's go before we're recognized.
Hi, Mr. Falcone.
Nice to see you, Mr. Falcone.
Hey, it's okay. It's been 10 years.
Anniversary of Wayne tragedy. Still no one arrested. In completely unrelated news, Falcone walks free. Again.
What chance does Gotham have when the good people do nothing?
This guy's above the law. Whole city's living in fear. Hey! Thanks, mister!
Bruce Wayne, the little rich kid.
I want to see Falcone.
There's some kind of problem, Mr. Cobblepot.
Everything seems to be under control here, officer. Lighten up. Haven't you heard of the healing power of laughter?
You okay, kid?
See Mr. Wayne out, will you, boys?
These guys need to pay for what they've done.
But you're not talking about justice. You're talking about revenge.
What chance does Gotham have when the people do nothing?
It's the Wayne kid!
You ain't getting anywhere near Mr. Falcone.
I'm going to show Falcone that Gotham has had enough of people like him.
You got spirit, kid, I'll give you that. More than your old man, anyway.
I came here to show you not everyone in Gotham is afraid of you.
Only those that know me, kid. Look around you. You'll see 2 detectives, a cop, and a judge. Now I wouldn't have a second's hesitation in making you beg right here in front of them, like a dog. No offense, Mr. Twinkle Toes. Now, that's power you can't buy. That's the power of fear. Should've tipped better.
Mr. Wayne,
Who are you?
my name is Raz Al Ghul. I have a particular set of skills. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like Carmine Falcone. I can offer you a path. The path of the League of Shadows.
Sounds like a metal band.
It's a league. If you make yourself more than just a man, if you devote yourself to an ideal, then you become something else entirely.
And that is...
A legend, Mr. Wayne. There is a rare blue flower that only grows on the peaks of Nanda Parbat. If you can bring it to me...
I can join your band?
League! The League of Shadows.
I am seeking a rare blue flower.
A rare blue flower that only grows on the peaks of Nanda Parbat.
You know of the League of Shadows.
I will find the flower first. You can barely use that thing.
No, wait!
The blue flowers grow towards the top of the mountain. You'll never make it that far.
We'll see about that. Whoa! So, you're here to join the League of Shadows.
I am here to fulfill my destiny, not to make idle chit-chat with strangers.
Fine, be that way. You may need my help out here.
I can't think of a single possible circumstance where I wouldn't prefer the help of a—
Look out!
Landslide!
I guess not everyone makes it to the top.
The yaks do.
Yeah, that's right. You can pet the yaks. Maybe we could build something to help us get up there. It feels like what I need is around here.
It appears our grapples need some assistance.
These bricks could be just what I need to build with. Guess I'm getting the hang of this grapple. You can do this. That was way too close. My name is Bruce. What's yours?
Talia, though you shan't be using it much. Once I have that flower, you'll never see me again.
Oh, look!
A blue flower!
And that goat's gonna pick it up for us. Thanks, buddy!
Oh, useless ungulate! Oh! We must keep climbing. Hopefully, there's another flower at the summit.
It's we now, huh? Come on, Bruce. For justice, for Gotham, for some reason, I just looked down.
Let's split up. See if you've actually learned anything.
Oh, you want a race? You got it. I wonder what Alfred would say if he could see me now.
Core blimey, Master Bruce. It's proper chilly up here.
I win!
We weren't racing, you buffoon!
There's no way our grapples will get us across that gap, especially not in this storm.
Ah, giving up so soon.
This is a totally normal way to climb a mountain.
Let's get this over with.
Hold on. We're alive!
Don't jinx it!
This storm's getting pretty bad!
It is just another obstacle that must be overcome!
Talia! Hold on! Ow!
Let's pretend that didn't happen.
This will take both of us. Come on. Are we close? Is this where the blue flowers grow?
Oh, enough! I am not your tour guide! I am here to fulfill my destiny.
What if joining the League of Shadows is my destiny too?
Ha! Fate would not be so cruel.
A blue flower! Huh? But we both need a flower to access the temple. There won't be another for miles. Huh?
What are you seeking, girl?
To follow the path of my father, though he will not allow it.
Maybe your father has his reasons. And you, Mr. Wayne, are you ready to begin?
I can hardly stand.
Tiger! Tiger prawn! Jujitsu! Yeah! Lindy hop! You are skilled, but this is not a dance. To overcome fear, you must study the ways of ninja. Master the skills of hand-to-hand combat. Learn to become invisible to your opponent and defeat them unseen. Daze or confuse your enemies by discovering the art of Shuriken Jutsu. Only then will you be ready to face the ultimate test and join the League of Shadows.
Very few people are able to complete their training. There's no shame in turning back now.
Don't worry. I have what it takes. You'll see.
If anyone should be worried, it's you, rich kid.
I see our honored guests have graced us with their presence. First, let us see if you can avoid the most basic of attacks.
Is that all you've got, Roz? I was expecting more of a challenge.
I assure you, Mr. Wayne, that was merely a taste of things to come. Once your focus has reached its limit, it can be unleashed to devastating effect. Continue defeating enemies to fill your focus. Become fully focused to perform a powerful attack. Well, you both survived. Huh. Lesson 1. Never let your guard down.
Not bad for a rich kid.
You know how to disappear. I will teach you to become truly invisible. Come, we have much to do.
Looks like we've got a pretty interesting lesson ahead of us.
Yes, the ability to remain unseen could prove to be the difference between victory and defeat.
Plus, we'll never lose a game of hide and go seek. Just saying. I'm guessing there isn't a safer route we can take?
If you're looking for modern conveniences, you've come to the wrong place. We won't be able to cross with all that debris in our way. We should
build something to deal with it. Way ahead of you.
Maybe you should try aiming at the rubble. Just a thought.
It feels like what I need is around here.
You do know what you're supposed to be aiming at, don't you?
Might want to give that another try. There! I knew we could do it.
There you are. I'm sure you didn't mean to keep me waiting. Those plates in the middle of the room, stand on them when you're ready. First, let's find out if you can avoid being seen by this adversary. Now, quickly, move. Good. He didn't see you. Not bad for a first try. Careful not to fall now. It's this way. Perhaps you're ready for a more advanced challenge. See that fool in front of you? Take him out quietly by sneaking up behind him. Splendid. As you can tell, this method of attack can be rather rewarding. Now, try to get to the other end of the room without being seen. Not how I would have handled things, but successful nonetheless.
I guess it's this way.
Your powers of observation astound me.
Making use of these higher perches will allow you to ambush foes from above. Before facing your final challenges, a minor warning. If you're spotted by an enemy, you must now face the consequences.
So, basically, don't get caught.
You catch on fast.
Interesting choice of decor.
We're ninjas, not interior decorators.
Hey, there's Roz. Let's sneak up on him, show him how good our skills are.
Would that...
Your skills are strong, but you are not ninjas yet. Ninjutsu is the art of patience and agility, but sometimes you need to strike from a distance. Today you will learn the use of shuriken.
As weapons?
Or distractions. Theatricality and deception are powerful agents. Lesson 2. Always mind your surroundings.
This next lesson should be easy. I already know a great way to distract any bad guys we run into.
It's not just pointing behind them and saying, "Look over there," is it?
No.
Ah, welcome. Please take a shuriken and we'll begin your training. No need to hesitate. Simply take the shuriken and we can continue. Now, destroy the 3 targets by throwing shurikens at them.
Got it.
Ah, good. Now you're properly equipped. Let's see how you perform in a more practical setting.
Practical setting? Why don't I like the sound of that?
Because you're starting to catch on.
Piece of cake. This one looks a little more complicated. Gotta get my timing right. I presume those giant axes are gonna stay exactly where they are. Forget that. Wait, there's a target over there. Just gotta time my throw. I did it. I don't think those spikes are gonna stay gone forever. Why do they have to make these things so dangerous? Wouldn't rows of fluffy pillows be just as hard to get past? Wait, what's that? Someone close by. All in all, 100% successful takedown.
More like 75% in your case, but sure.
I'm pleased to see you made it. Now, complete your training with this willing volunteer. You're doing so well. Here, have some more friends to play with.
Hey! You can never have too many friends!
I beg to differ.
You have come far. The final test is almost at hand. Lesson 2. Always mind your surroundings. Enough. Rest well. Tomorrow you will face an even greater threat.
I'll catch up.
What? Who's there?
Criminals thrive on the indulgence of society's understanding. You must learn the tools to bring about great and terrible things.
What terrible things, Roz?
If you are to join the League, you must not fear the will to act. Enough talk! Time to fight! Knowing how to avoid continuous attacks from your foe is vital. You must learn to evade multiple attacks from your opponent. Very good.
I pick things up quickly. Need to focus more.
Now you see how it's done, don't you?
This guy's not your average teacher.
And now for a test of your new skills. Please try not to disappoint me.
Well, at least it's not a written exam.
Your parents' death was not your fault. It was your father's.
Yield. Yield.
You've not beaten me. You've sacrificed sure footing for a winning stroke.
Rub your chest. Your arms will take care of themselves. Go home, Bruce. Your anger gives you great power. But if you let it, it will destroy you. He will destroy you. And all that will be left is mindless vengeance.
What if I were to ask you to come with me?
My path is set. I have to follow it to the end.
Maybe I could show you something that would change your mind. Something Roz doesn't want us to see.
I don't suppose you'd mind telling me where we're sneaking off to?
I will, if we can get past our new friends without waking them up.